Hello everyone! Welcome to the channel! Are you getting VALORANT Error Code VAN-102 and can't launch the game properly? In this video, I'll show you how to fix VALORANT Error Code VAN-102. Let's get started! First, open the Riot client on your PC. Now, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. On the Settings page, you'll see VALORANT on the left side. Click on it. Now, click Repair to start verifying your game files. This process checks your game files and can repair files that are corrupted or missing. It may take some time, so be patient and let the process finish. Once you see that the repair has completed successfully, click OK and move on to the next step. Next, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and click OK. The Windows Services window will open. Scroll down and look for the VGC service. Once you find VGC, right-click it. Then select Restart to restart the service. After the service restarts, close the Services window and move on to the next step. Now, open Windows Search and look for Windows Defender Firewall. Open Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now, scroll through the list and look for Riot Client and VALORANT. Make sure both private and public network access are enabled for the required Riot and VALORANT entries. If either option is disabled, enable it and click OK to save your changes. And that's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more VALORANT and gaming fixes.